Okay, so this is question number 6 of the nuclear physics homework booklet. And in the first part of question number 6, we're looking at ionizing radiation. And we're asked to identify which ionizing radiation produces the greatest number of ion pairs per millimeter in air. In other words, what they're really asking you is which one of these 4 types of ionizing radiation ionizes the most. And we know that alpha particle ionizes the most, so we simply need to put a tick for 1 mark in this alpha particle box. For part B, to start off with, for part BI or part B1, we're asked to complete another table. This time, we're asked to complete this table to show the typical maximum range in air for alpha and beta. So we've got alpha radiation and beta radiation. We simply need to write down the typical range of air in meters for each of these particles. Well, for alpha, it's around about 4 centimeters, so 0.04 meters. For beta, it's about 40 centimeters, so 0.4 meters. In actual fact, for alpha, you're allowed anywhere between 3 and 7 centimeters, or 0.03 and 0.07 meters, and for beta, anywhere between 20 centimeters and 3 meters. So, provided you've got some numbers within these ranges, you get 1 mark for each one of those being correct. In part 2, we're then told that gamma rays have a range of at least 1 kilometre in air, but a gamma ray detector that's put half a metre away from a gamma ray source detects a much smaller count rate as it's just moved a little bit, so it's moved a few centimetres away from the source. Explain why. So we simply have to say that gamma radiation follows the inverse square law. So as the distance increases, the count rate goes down. So that's basically the property of gamma radiation. So in part C, we're told that following an accident, a room has been contaminated with dust, and this dust contains americium, and americium is an alpha emitter, so it's emitting alpha radiation. We're then asked to explain what the most hazardous aspect of this dust is to an unprotected human if they enter the room. Well, as this is dust, the first thing you would do with dust is basically breathe it in. Why is this dangerous? So in terms of explaining, we need to say why it's dangerous. Why is it dangerous? Because once you've breathed it in, it could cause cells to be damaged because the alpha particles are going to ionize the DNA within your cells. So you simply need to say why it's dangerous. One, because you breathe it in, and then once you breathe it in, it causes cells to be damaged because of ionization. So that was question number 6 of the nuclear physics homework booklet.